Hello everyone, it's Christina from Bible Journal Crafts and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to talk a little bit about coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. I'm giving free this printable that you can find in the description down below and choose which one you want to download it. And this is a customizable printable. Now what a customizable printable means is that you can download it and write down your name or whatever you want with pen, or you can leave me in the comments down below your name and which girl you want, and I will write your name for you. So let's get on to the video to show you how I used this printable as a happy planner cover. So I printed out this printable on a cardstock paper, and here you can see me trim it. And I'm going to use this corner punch to make round the corners. And right now I'm going to laminate it. Just make sure that your laminator light is green. And open up the pouch and insert the printable. Just make sure that you have inserted up on top really well. And I am running it over. So a tip here for not being curly, just hold it on the other side when it comes off. I'm trimming the excess and I'm running it for the second time. Here you can see me cutting off with scissors the edges. Just you have to have a little bit extra laminated, just don't cut all the way through. So here I'm cutting the paper, here some cardstock paper, and I'm going to put it on the edge of my cover. And before I'm going to glue them, I'm going to punch them together. So here they are. And right now I'm going to glue them with Mod Podge. Now Mod Podge is really strong glue. I will recommend to glue them with a really strong glue. Now I put some washi tape because I love washi tapes, and I'm just doing the corners, around the corners. And here it is. So if you want this printable, you can download it in the description down below, just like I said before, or you can leave in the comments your name and which girl you want so that I will customize it for you. So you can do this by using one single punch, but I thought that it was more fun to do it this way, to show you it this way, but you can use one hole punch to do it. It's the same thing. We do not have the Happy Planner Punch. So this is inspired by Paper Dolls. So this is a group on Facebook. I will leave the link in the description down below for you to check it out. And here is the inside. I decided to print it on cardstock paper that have O's because I love O's. So you can see that I made the same thing on my prayer journal that I showed you in the previous video. I did it again with Mod Podge. I glued it with Mod Podge, and this is also the same material. It's a laminated pouch, and I made it a folder just to keep my stuff in it. And you can see the other one, it's the same thing. I just added some washi tape on this one because I love washi tapes. And the other one, again the same. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you can subscribe to my channel for more videos like that and for more free printables. And your thumbs up and your comments always encourage me to do more free printables and more videos like that. And thank you all for watching. God bless you all. Bye.